Hey guys, I'm Love Jones, and this is our 2013 Lamborghini Gallardo Super Trofeo. The Super Trofeo Racing Series was a single-make racing series featuring all-wheel drive only cars. Lamborghini's Super Trofeo series started back in 2009 with a partnership between the watchmaker and the automobile brand. During production of the Gallardo Super Trofeo, Lamborghini produced approximately 110 cars. For the 2013 model year, Lamborghini only produced about 20 cars worldwide. Of those 20, only 10 cars were produced for the US. This is one of those 10 cars. The 2013 Gallardo Super Trofeo has increased brake cooling over the previous generation due to improved ducting and aerodynamics. The 2013 Lamborghini Gallardo Super Trofeo has a dry weight of just over 2,900 pounds. Previous generation of the Gallardo Super Trofeos had 570 horsepower. This new generation had 620 horsepower. Balance and handling were significantly improved due to the added downforce, which ranged anywhere from 280 to 350 pounds. Now the moment you've really been waiting for. Let's hear this thing running. Thank you for watching my walk around video on our 2013 Lamborghini Gallardo Super Trofeo. Again, my name is Love Jones, and stay tuned for more.